Ready?
Go ahead.
All right, I'm going to go to salesforcefoundation.org.
Right.
And then I'm going to go to nonprofits and hover over that, and then go down and click on Get Started Nonprofit.
Yep. Okay.
And then on this page, you're going to find down at the bottom 3 different models that we have for nonprofits that want to get started with Salesforce. So the one you're talking about is the first 2. And in the first 2, you get 10 free licenses. And if you click this button here, it's going to take you to a readiness survey you're going to do. And then you can immediately get started with the 10 free licenses. And if you click this one, you can even get started with the Nonprofit Starter Pack, which makes, Salesforce is built for companies. What the Nonprofit Starter Pack does is it makes all of that functionality work better for nonprofits right out of the box. So you want to do this one, and then this
the one in the middle.
The one in the middle.
Yep.
And so that's the one you want to do. And if you click there, you can follow the instructions and get started. And so that's the end of the getting started tutorial. You also mentioned something about support.
Right.
So you're right that we're giving these licenses away for free to 14,000 nonprofits.
Right.
So we don't have a really great support model for them.
Right.
But what we actually do have is called the Power of Us Hub. Okay. And so the Power of Us Hub is how do I get through from this side? So you can go to
that isn't Mark Basement. Mark Basement is here somewhere. But I'm pretty sure.
So if you go to this address, salesforce.org/help/powerofusHub, then you can actually, once you get those free licenses,
right,
you can use that login to sign in to the Power of Us Hub right here.
Right.
And what this is it's a community of nonprofits, which we can't log in from here right now because we need a Salesforce login, but it's a community of nonprofits that all are using the starter pack, and they're working together and sharing best practices and kind of supporting each other. So if you have a question about how do I get my donor database set up and start using marketing automation in Salesforce with these free licenses, you can ask that question in there, and other nonprofits that are using Salesforce and those partners we talked about will help you get started.